Good morning, welcome to yet another vlog, and today it is December. I have lost track of the schedule I'm keeping. I don't know which sequence this vlog will come from, but it is going to definitely come after the first meetup. So today, if you can see up front, let me accelerate a bit. This is another blue GT Virtus, which means that we are going on a meetup, the third meetup and probably the final meetup of this year of Virtus. So welcome back to the vlog. These vlogs are usually a bit longer. Please do take the patience to watch, and I assure you it will be fun. Just about taking the left turn, and PPS is just around the corner. This is the left turn towards PTS, and I can already see a few folks standing. Yeah, two silver Virtus is nice. So I hope you liked it, and this is the end of our drive. We are just about returning to the showroom. We did not have much long drive this time. We only did a short drive and then just chilled, hung out with the new members, and made plans for further meetups. So hope you liked it. Please do share it with every single Volkswagen fan that you have, so that these groups grow and we have these kind of meetups all throughout the country. So cheers to this meetup, and cheers to many more that is yet to come.
Part of the vehicle is very good, and also overall driving experience is very good. The cornering stability is very good.